国际上要紧来关心到美国总统川普17表示讲，要伫咧3礼拜至4礼拜以内，甲中国来达成贸易协议，佮暗示有可能会降低关税。因过美国政府煞又佮宣布要对所有停靠伫咧美国由中国建造或者是属于中国的船只来收靠港的费用，而且有可能是逐年会愈收愈侪钱。另外，川普甲意大利的总理咧会谈，讲有信心要和欧洲来达成贸易协议，互西方国家搁再伟大。
中美一直咧贸易战，美国总统川普17被问到是毋是打电话予中国国家主席习近平，伊讲中国真侪摆打电话来。
I have a very good relationship with President Xi, and I think it's going to continue. And I would say they have reached out a number of times.
伊认为代表习近平的官员已经释出中迄谈判信号，毋过伊真侪摆回避是毋是甲习近平本人直接联络问题。川普也承认，伊对进一步加税感觉丢毒，佮暗示可能考虑调低关税。目前川普已经对中国商品加扣总额高达145%的关税，中国也向相关125%的关税来报复。川普有期会伫3到4礼拜内甲中国达成贸易协议。
I would think over the next 3 or 4 weeks. I think maybe the whole thing could be concluded. You have to understand, we're a big, if you think of us as a big, beautiful department store before that business was destroyed by the internet. We're a big, beautiful store, and everybody wants a piece of that store.
川普了后伫办公室接待意大利总理梅诺尼，川普表示有100%信心，以90日关税暂缓期结束进前，甲欧洲达成贸易协议。梅诺尼是自认是美欧之间的桥梁，佮指出，互西方各一摆伟大目标得到川普认同。不过，川普发动关税战，冲击全球贸易体系。IMF 国际货币基金总裁乔治·艾华17表示，各经济体韧性咧受全球贸易体系中期的考验。
Ultimately, trade is like water. When countries put an obstacle in the form of tariff and non-tariff barriers, the flow diverts. In it, our new growth projections will include notable markdowns, but not recession.
伊个透露 ，IMF 下礼拜发布上新世界经济展望报告当中，会明显调低全球经济成长预测，也会调高部分国家的通膨预测。IMF 今年1月预测，2025年全球经济成长是3.3%。伊个事件长期来看，保护主义会削弱生产力，尤其是较细经济体。公司新闻陈伟仁报道。